neon shoes on the tile, ticket stamp on my wrist, line curls out on the sidewalk, heart already in the mix. You say trust me, don't think, drag me straight through the crowd, finger press to your lips, then you shout above the loud. This is a portal into sound, spinning as the room falls out. Close your eyes, let the floor go down. We're falling through a portal into sound. Through a portal into sound. Falling through a portal into sound. Your hair caught in the lights, gold dust on your cheek. We laugh like we're 15, losing track of the week. You mouth words I can't hear, but I feel every vow. Hands up, town cracks open, and you lean for me and shout, this is a